All right, everybody. This is a quick rundown on today's project. Um, you notice that there's 4 things for you to pick from, and the name of the project is Do It Yourself. Now, in every project we've had up to this point, I've always had lectures, and you know, we practice everything that we put uh, into that project. I've never given you a project where, oh, we've never gone over this. Well, this project is exactly that. It is 4 things we've never gone over. Now, you may ask why I'm doing this at the end of the semester here, and there's a good reason. When I was in school, uh, there were times where the teacher did not tell us how to do things. In fact, I had a very specific teacher. There was a girl in the class who was asking him how to do something in the project that he asked, and he told her, figure it out. He's not here to tell her how to do it. I've had a student come to me once before. He was taking Visual Basic, I think, at Ole Miss. And he said, he never told us how to access a database, which is what he had to do in the project. Well, I had to help him find out how to do that by Googling and searching. So going forward, when you take other classes, when you go to other schools, uh, if you happen to be in programming, it's not unlikely that you'll get into a situation where the teacher will say, make this project, but they've never shown you how to do parts of it. So this project is just a little practice to get used to how to search for things, how to find things. Now, that's not to say, like, if I give you a programming assignment, you should go and find that programming assignment, copy paste it. That's not what this is about. This is finding very specific things in a project. Googling and searching for doing specific operations is fine. Searching an entire project you're supposed to turn in isn't. Or using ChatGPT or any of those other automated things. What you need to do here is find whether it's a video on YouTube, whether it's some walkthrough site, someone walking you through how to do one of these things that you pick, and then make the code. So this is just an example of you finding out how to do it online. Again, not using an AI engine thing to build it for you. That's not you finding the answer or figuring it out on your own. That is you having some other tool do it for you without you having to do anything, which is not what this is about. So once you do this, I want you to, copy the link where you found out how to do this and post it along with the code. That way I can kind of glance and see where you got it from, so on. So you get to pick one of these 4, any one, as long as you do one. That's essentially the gist of the project and the reasoning behind it. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, feel free to let me know.